Hi everyone, I'm Sandy. I'm from Sasha Arts. Back again. I'm so happy to share this video. This is the art what I have done last night. It's lip and style of art, but I didn't use any base coat on that since I made it on a foam board. I hope you like it. Initially, I have traced the design with yellow carbon and then gave a dark chocolate color background. And then I have used my homemade clay. I made a cone with old file sheet. Like I had a old folder, from that I have taken the sheet. It's little thicker and it's good. Whenever you make this cone, ensure the cover you are using should be thicker enough to hold the pressure. If not, it leaks in between and the entire project gets messy. You can even use a gift wrap paper or even milk cover. I use lot of times. It's good and thick. I want to mention one more thing. The clay, whatever material you are making it, let it be marble powder or chalk powder, any base, but ensure it doesn't have lumps. We have mixed it thoroughly and there's no dust particles in that. If not, while designing, it stops in between and then again we have to redo the entire cone. Or even when we are designing, the line doesn't come straight, it comes with the lumps. So please ensure it's neat and then thoroughly mixed. And we got to stick it very firmly so that it doesn't open in between. The seal of the cone has to be very firm, because if it opens in between and there is a leakage, our entire project gets messy, which is very annoying while doing the projects. So remix before pouring. Do cross check once again if there are no lumps and check with the consistency. It shouldn't be too thick, neither it should be too loose also, the clay. If it is too loose, then the line won't stand firmly, it will spread out. That consistency is good for filling, it's not for lining. So this is good enough for me, the consistency what I am using now. We can fill the cone with the clay. Once we fill the cone, in case there is any leftover clay, we can store it for even 1 month also. But the box, whatever we are using to store it, has to be an airtight box. Even if there is a minimal air or water which is gone inside, that clay gets wasted. I don't at all use even 1 ml of water in this clay. It's purely with the marble powder. I use marble powder and a Fevicol, MR Fevicol. So now I'm filling this cone, and then we have to seal the top, the open area of the cone, with the tape you can do, or you can even use a rubber band also. So this, I think we can fill some more probably. Let me just check. This should be fine. If you top it up till edge, then there is no space for us to close it and tape it up. So do leave some space, and any extra cover is there, we can cut it off. Initially I am just sealing the open area to hold it firmly. You can tape it like this, fold it and tape it, or you can just twist it and then keep a rubber band. This is a normal sellotape what I'm using. Once this cone is ready, after taping it completely, do cross check once again if there is any area which is not sealed properly. The cone what we made, that's what I'm using here for my outlining. See, while doing this, you need to understand like what pressure we are keeping. That has to be constant. And I would like to mention, this is not the way to hold the cone. I have wrist pain, so I'm doing it in this way. In some other video, I'll show you how to use a cone. Initially, I made a bigger squares, but I didn't like it much because my mirror size is too small. So I want to make it a small boxes, like small squares. Yeah, I think this is better. So this is how we got to complete the entire designing. I'll complete the entire design and show you how it looks. It's almost done. Just a little more work is pending. This is the final one. Now mirror work is pending. Let me just show you. I hope you like this. Bye.